The master light switch is very common in every house and very useful for emergency situations. When you on the master switch, all essential lights start glowing. And you can on and off the lights separately by its normal switches also. Let's check how this master switch wiring works. We are using two types of switches here. A one-way switch for the master switch function and two-way switch for the normal switch function. Two-way switches have three terminals: L1 common and L2. If you connect a phaser hotline on both L1 and L2 while switch is on position, current flow through L2 to common. And when the switch is off position, current flow through L1 to common. Because of this feature, we are using two-way switches for master light switch circuit. You can see the front view and rear view of the switchboard here. First, we connect the neutral line to all bulbs one terminal and connect phase line to one point of the master switch and L2 point of all two-way switches. Then connect each common point of these two-way switches to another terminal of each bulb. If you on any of this two-way switches now, current start flow through L2 to a common point and bulb start glowing. This is the normal switching function of this circuit. Next, we connect another point of the master switch to the L2 point of all two-way switches. When you on the master switch, current flow through the master switch to L1 of every two-way switches. And it flow to the bulb by L1 to common point when the two-way switches are off position. You can use any one-way switch as a master switch, but its capacity should be higher than normal switches. Because all light load current passing through this master switch when master switch is on position. We hope you understand now how a master switch circuit works.